Hello and welcome to this module in which we explore some tables functions. This is the largest module in the course. It comprises of not less than 26 functions. Tables are most important when you program information systems because information systems deal with information, and information is typically stored and presented in a table structure. As of Excel 2007, Excel added a tables-aware object that is not just a collection of cells that you arrange to look like a table or format it to look like a table. It is actually a table with lots of good components, objects, methods, and properties. So the function in this module will allow you to do a lot of things with tables, such as adding, deleting, or updating a table row, locating data in tables, cleaning and resizing and populating tables with data, getting table rows and columns, finding matching values in columns or in rows in a table, cleaning table data except the formulas, replacing matched values in table columns, transferring data between tables and worksheet cells, and of course clearing table filters. So a lot of things to do with tables, and by the end of this module you will appreciate the power of tables, especially when working with tables from VBA, but not only. You will be able to lay the foundation for a robust business application development that rely on tables, because as we discussed, tables are a core foundation of business applications, so it's important that you know how to efficiently and effectively work with tables. And you will understand how to work with the list object. In VBA, the list object is the object that represents a smart table in Excel. Let's start learning about tables.